What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. As you guys see by the title and thumbnail, we finally got some new wheels for the GTR. Finally! Guys, I've been looking for these wheels for months now and I finally got my hands on a set and I'm so freaking excited to show you guys. I'm so excited to throw them on the car. I do love those wheels. Those are actually the Black Edition wheels. They only come on the Black Edition GTRs. So those are pretty sick. They're actually kind of rare, I heard, and I think they even resale for a lot of money. So if anyone's interested, I might have those wheels up for sale soon. I know a lot of you guys have been asking when am I gonna do some more mods to the GTR, and this is kind of a big mod actually. New wheels, changes up the whole entire look, and I think you guys are gonna really like them. A lot of you guys might actually not like them. These wheels are actually really crazy, and I think the color is gonna have some mixed opinions. So before I show you guys the wheels, my first option for colors was gonna be black. I want to stick with the all black GTR look, but unfortunately the only color they had in stock in these wheels specifically were this very bright color that I'm gonna show you guys right now. First off, I'm sorry, the garage looks kind of like a mess. My GTR fits in here and the M3 sadly is parked outside for a bit. I'm gonna put the M3 back, but the only reason why it's so dirty is because you guys remember the merch drop I just had. By the way, if you guys haven't copped anything, I have a lot of GTR stuff left. All the Beamer stuff is pretty much sold out though, so thank you for that. But yeah, that's why my garage is kind of looking like a warehouse right now, because we have so much merch left over. And this is also where I was shipping everything out by hand, all by myself, guys, shipping everything out, all your guys' orders. And that is also why it took a little bit longer. But yeah, here are the new wheels. As you guys can see, Rays, the Volk Rays. And before I get you guys' hopes up, no, they are not TE37s. I know a lot of people wanted me to get TE37s. I was gonna go with TEs. I know my homie Anthro, you guys have seen this GTR in the vlogs before. It's that purple GTR with the 18 TE37s. They're so freaking badass. They're really, really clean. But the only thing I don't like about TEs is that they're pretty freaking pricey and a lot of people have them. I think a lot of people have them. I don't want to say they're played out, but like a lot of people have TE37s. So I wanted to change it up. Don't get me wrong, I do want some TEs. I'm probably gonna get some in the future. But these wheels specifically look very, very aggressive on GTRs, and that's why I chose these. Same brand as the TE37s. They're pretty much the exact same wheels, but a different design. And as you guys can see, we got the size 18s. A lot of you guys wanted me to do 20s, so I know there's gonna be a lot of people that are mad about it, but I wanted to go for more of the drag racing look, the 18s with the fat tires. It looks more like a drag racing setup, and like the car has a lot of power. I believe these are the rears. 18 by 12. Yes, these are the rears. 12 inches wide. They're freaking huge. These are probably the widest wheels I've ever had in my life. So let's just unbox them, show you guys the wheels, and let me know what you guys think, okay? Again, before you guys see them, they are very, very bright. I'm probably gonna powder coat them down the line black, but just let me know what you guys think about this color, and I'll let you guys know why I chose this color right now. 3, 2, 1. Bro, we got green ZE40s, Rays ZE40s. They're forged and they're straight from Japan. These wheels are freaking awesome. They're kind of like my dream wheels. I've always wanted these once I seen them on a GTR. The 18s with the fat tire, like I said, look so mean and aggressive. And yeah, we got freaking green. I know it's very bright, and honestly, I don't know how it's gonna look. But this is why I wanted to do an unboxing video and show you guys the wheels before I put them on, because I want to know you guys' opinions. Should we mount the green wheels on the GTR? I'm not gonna lie, I think the green might look pretty sick on the all black GTR. I've never seen it before, and I've asked a couple homies, and I showed a couple homies, and they've never seen a GTR like this before either. So I might be one of the first black GTRs with green wheels. I don't know. I'm probably gonna end up powder coating them black. But I wanted to know you guys' thoughts. Should I mount them on the car green for a little bit? Maybe for like a week or so? Put them on the car, have a little photo shoot, go to a little car meet or something, and then powder coat them black. Or maybe bronze, I don't know. I don't know what color to do, but most likely I'm gonna do them black. For those of you wondering, why did you buy green wheels, Nick? I know I never would have thought in my life that I would buy green wheels, but I hit up Vivid Racing last week and they make a bunch of car parts for like all kinds of cars. They have a bunch of wheels, but I hit them up. I told them I really wanted these wheels, and this is the only color they had in stock. My first color option was gonna be gunmetal. It's almost black, but it's like a dark charcoal gray. That's the color I really wanted. And then they make bronze, and I think they make like a blue, like a dark blue, and I guess they make this green. This crazy freaking green. I think it's called like Takata green or something like that. It's actually a rare color, I heard, and like a JDM color. And to get the gunmetal, it would have been like a 4 to 6 month wait, and I could not wait any longer. I needed wheels for the GTR. So like I said, we're probably gonna throw them on green for a bit, and then maybe powder coat them black. It's up to you guys. Let me know what you guys think I should do. Enough talking. Let me show you guys these wheels. Let me take them out the box, put them next to the car so you guys can see how they look. Look, they're forged wheels, so they're actually pretty freaking light. For a 12-inch wheel, like, this is really light. Oh my God, I don't even think it picks up on camera how big these wheels are, but I got pretty big hands. And look, it's like almost 3 of my hands. It's huge. The reason I love these wheels is because they're so concave. This color is actually really sick. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a big fan of the color green, but these look really good. We also got, what else do we have in here? So we also got some hub rings for the car. These are because I think these wheels have a bigger hub ring or something. I don't know, but we need these. And we're also gonna need some new lugs. We went with the black Muteki ones. I heard these are super good. I gotta go pick up the tires, but once we have that, we'll be able to mount them on the car right away. Let me see if I can show you guys. This is hard to do with one hand. We got the nice little raised valve stem. Looks clean. Oh my God, dude. Look at this, guys. Bro. Like I said, I never would have thought I'd put green wheels on my GTR. It honestly does not look that bad. I thought it was gonna look a lot worse, to be honest. The only thing I'm worried about is the red brake calipers. That's the only thing. To me, it kind of looks like Christmas though, but but here it is, guys. The new wheels for the GTR. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do we rock them green for a bit, or do we go straight to powder coat them black? Right now I'm running 20s and these are 18s. It's gonna look really good with the fat tire. It's gonna look literally like a drag racing setup. I can't get over how wide this freaking wheel is. You wanna be in my vlog? You're already in my vlog.
What's up, G?
Bro, you wanna see something?
What?
I got new wheels for the GTR.
Let me see.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna like them.
Let me see.
It's like the complete opposite of your favorite color.
Oh, God.
What, Kevin? You don't like it?
Let me see. Go to the. Let me see. Like, put the.
Bro, I don't know, dude. It might look kind of cool.
Yeah, it could. What?
I should have got orange, huh? Okay, the only reason I got green is because it's the only color they had in stock.
Also.
But I'm a powder coat them black probably.
It doesn't look.
But I might keep them green for a little bit just to see what people say.
Actually, I've never seen a cut.
That's what I'm saying. A lot of people have been telling me that. They're like, I've never seen a GTR with this like colorway.
Yeah, I've never seen it.
Maybe I'll do it. Maybe.
Actually, maybe. Honestly, I think you could pull it off.
I might. Look at it.
Let me see. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let me see.
Looks sick, huh? And they're 18s, bro. So I'm gonna put the fat tire on it. Like, you know how those GTRs do?
Oh, yeah, I know what you mean. Okay.
Yeah, so it's gonna look like I make 1,000 horsepower, but I don't.
And then you're gonna wrap the car orange?
No. Are we going to San Francisco?
Let's go, bro.
Well, there you guys have it, guys. Green freaking wheels. Volk ZE40s. I've always wanted these, and I finally got a pair. A set. If you guys need any tires, hit them up. Peds right here. But he got me some M&H's. They're like literally slicks, and I can't wait to mount them on these wheels. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the new wheels. Let me know what you guys think about the green. If I should keep the green for a little bit, or should I just go straight to powder coat and black right away? Look at it from far. It actually looks kind of real. Also, let me show you guys this real quick. We got everything from RD Engineering. Everything for our tune for the GTR. I believe this is the flex fuel kit, but we got everything to run full 85. I think that's the flex fuel kit. I don't know what this is. Stuff to make me shoot flames probably. We got injectors. If you guys haven't heard of them, they make some really freaking crazy GTRs. Like 2,000 horsepower GTRs. I'm not there yet, but who knows, maybe I'll have 2,000 horsepower one day. These are the fuel pumps. Yeah, fuel pumps. Last but not least, we got the Ecotech ECU Tech, EcuTech, I don't know. This is actually the tune that's going on the GTR. So we finally got everything to go full bolt sounds. I have my intakes at 412 Motorsport. We're gonna install everything there and then get it tuned. This car is gonna be so freaking fast. I told you guys from the start, I'm going full performance on this car. It's also another reason why I went with the 18s, because I already did the bagged setup, the slam, stanced out, and now I want to go with like that drag racing race look. And on the E92, I didn't really do much performance mods, but on the GTR, we're going all out. Quick little video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please smash the like button so I can know that you guys like the wheels. Smash the like button, subscribe to your boy if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.